Welcome back. Today is Tuesday and we're on December the 14th. Let's take a look at the message for today. Rest in me, my child. Forgetting about the worries of the world, focus on me, Emmanuel, and let my living presence envelop you in peace. Tune in to my eternal security, for I am the same, yesterday, today, and forever. If you live on the surface of life by focusing on ever-changing phenomena, you will find yourself echoing the words of Solomon. Meaningless, meaningless. Everything is meaningless. Living in collaboration with me is the way to instill meaning into your days. Begin each day alone with me so that you can experience the reality of my presence. As you spend time with me, the way before you opens up step by step. Arise from the stillness of our communion and gradually begin your journey through the day. Hold my hand in deliberate dependence on me, and I'll smooth out the path before you. All this took place to fulfill what the Lord has said through the prophet. The virgin will be with child and will give birth to a son, and they'll call him Emmanuel, which means God with us. Matthew chapter 1 verses 22 to 23. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Hebrews chapter 13 verse 8. Meaningless, meaningless, says the teacher. Utterly meaningless. Everything is meaningless. Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 2. In all your ways acknowledge him and he will make your path straight. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 6. This is the message of the Lord. Thanks be to God. And right now, let's focus our time on worship. Here we go. 是我信靠你必不动摇，主你是我力量，主你是避难所，我的盼望只在乎你。
'Twas weeks before Christmas. Mum and Dad stirred in bed, looking for presents and meal.
你是我力量，你是我高台，坚固的是我信靠你必不动摇。主你是我力量，主你是避难所，我尽盼望只在乎你。 我的拯救，你是我患难中随时的帮助。主从中央围绕耶路撒冷，你必拥我到永远。第四个，我的拯救。 你是我患难中随时的帮助，众山这样围绕耶路撒冷，你必围绕我到永远。众山这样围绕耶路撒冷。 你必围绕我到永远，从山怎样围绕耶路撒冷？你必围绕我到永远。主你是我力量，主你是我高台。 主凡事我信靠你必不动摇，主你是我力量，主你是避难所，我的盼望只在乎你。主你是我力量， 主你是我高台。艰苦磐石我信靠，你必不动摇。主你是我力量，主你是避难所。我的盼望只在乎你，我的盼望只在乎你，我的盼望只在乎你。你是我高台，艰苦磐石我信靠，你必不动摇。主你是我力量，主你是避难所。我的盼望只在乎你，是我力量，主你是我高台。艰苦磐石我信靠，你必不动摇。主你是我力量，主你是避难所。我的盼望只在乎你，我的盼望只在乎你，我的盼望只在乎你。Wow! What a wonderful time of worship, and let's close our eyes for a prayer. Thank you, Father in heaven. Today I pray for my students. I ask that, O Lord, all will be well for each and every one of them. And anything that has happened, O Lord, is for the good, for tomorrow, for the future. And as I entrust all my students into your care, I pray that, O Lord, you uplift them. I thank you, Lord. All will be well. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. And goodbye for right now, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. God bless you. Goodbye.